It's fine, it's open in it. Yeah. There's my well, water in my well. My well talaga. Oh, open. Tanto na sister kung dito mga adlaw to ya ma-walking. Naman sunod-sunod dito dahil. So here's the amigos. It's on there. Let's see if there's pump all the water early. Tigas pa? Yun pang isa. Ay, meron pa dito nakatago. Guys, it's until 1 o'clock and we'll see how many hours to fill it up. Dapo guroy. Hindi ba to concrete gita na?
Concrete na, hindi na ba to ya? Buwas ba ng...
And guys, it's I think 4 o'clock, 4 something, 4:20 something, and let's look at the well. How much water it got. Here guys, ready to run. Right there. See, there's a lot of water. Stephanie, what you doing?
Yes, I'm getting 5 million.
Doing malunggay. Balonggay.
There we go.
Your favorite?
And we're in Vietnam.
We're going to make green shell
It's very warm.
tahong and then we put
We're at the
malunggay.
hottest in Ho Chi Minh City. We got
And
nice
Eloise
breeze.
doing it too.
But when you're in the
Eh?
sun, it's just a warm
She don't want it.
drivers.
You eat it good. You chew it good. Huh? Yeah, Eloise eat green shell. Good morning. Let's go look at the well and pump the water out of it. I actually pump it already because I already watered my plants, but still have a lot of water. We needed to pump the water out because Amil and the group is going to clean it today, the bottom and all that. May tuburan din na dyan pa lang. Look. May tuburan, 2 kabilon. Is that tuburan? I'm not sure. That's not at the very bottom yet. That's from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. On the 11th ring. It's not socket. Okay. And the end of this. Kita nyo ba? Ayan siya. Ang tubig na sila-sino ko yan. Ayan nga lang naman ka na tubig eh. Ayan. Ayan na siya. Ayan nagtubig din. Ano jahod ako ng legs ah. And guys, I have obi right here that I bought like last week. I'm going to gayat-gayat this because I am going to make my binignit. It's late na, but and here's my sago. I'm soaking it. Ay, ba't ganyan? Ba yung nabuka? Ayan yung gamit ko guys. Malagkit na buo. Pilit ba? Hindi hindi binukbok. At saka, ilaga mo lang together with my sago. And just my experiment kayo. Huwag kayong pumuntra dyan. It's right there. That's all left. So, ito na guys ang kalagayan ng aking pinignit or lugaw. Tawag namin sa nilagyan ko ng coconut strips. Ayan, galing freezer. Ang linukad ba kaniyog? O, diba? Again, strips. Tapos, I think I'm going to put the ano na, the obe, kamote, and what do you call this? Saging. Ito yung aking pinaghalo ko na ang obe at saka kamote. Ayan, naglalaway pala ang obe. Ganyan siya. Maglalaway. Ayan guys, nilagyan ko na rin ng gata at saka ng brown sugar. Diba? Paglapot nito, goods nito. Dapat purple. Meron namang mga purple dyan. Diba? Ubos na yung sa inyo dyan. Yung akin ngayon pa lang. Ito na yung aking binignit. Ayan na. Diba? My version. Walang bilog-bilog dahil wala nga akong binukbo. Ayan na. Ayan na guys yung ating binignit guys. Muntik ng ng mga bata. Maubos. Gusto. Pabalik-balik. Ganda. And guys, so I am making mango float. This is actually the second layer. Ganyan na. Ginagad ko na dyan yung ating mango. At saka dyan ko na nilagay yung cream niya. At saka yung condensed. Para isa na.